Hansa, Hitesh and Vijay are partners of a firm. Their capital proportion is 3:2:1. Hitesh is entitled to receive commission at the rate of 10% of net profit after deduction of such share. What amount will be received by Hitesh when profit of the firm is 1,65,000 at the end of the year? So there are 2 points to be considered over here. When commission is given at the rate of percentage of net profit, before and after, whenever in the sum it is given that commission is to be paid on net profit as so and so percentage after deduction of such commission, એવું કીધું હોય કે after deduction of such commission, so direct percentage calculate नहीं था. Commission is equal to profit into percentage upon 100 plus percentage of commission. Commission is equal to profit into percentage of commission plus 100 of percentage of commission. Whenever in the sum after એવું કીધું હોય, સમમાં એવું કીધું હોય કે commission is to be calculated on profit after deduction of such commission. After ના કીધું હોય or before કીધું હોય direct, direct percentage જે આપ્યા હોય before deduction of such commission, એવું કીધું હોય. હવે in this sum there are three partners: Hansha, Hitesh and Vijay. Capital ratio આપ્યો છે મને, but profit sharing ratio નથી આપ્યો. તો profit sharing ratio શું લેવાનો? This is capital ratio. Profit sharing ratio is not given. So if in the sum profit sharing ratio is not specified, then it is to be taken equal. So this 1:1:1 is profit sharing ratio. You can see in the sum they haven't specified profit sharing ratio. They have just given that capital is in the proportion of 3:2:1. તો તમને કન્ફ્યુઝન ક્રિએટ કરવા માટે આપ્યું છે કે કેપિટલ proportion માં profit distribute કરવાનું કીધું હોય, then and then we will consider capital proportion as the profit sharing ratio. But if in the sum capital proportion is given and profit sharing ratio is not given, then we will take profit sharing ratio as equal 1:1:1 for 3 partners. 2 partners, so 1:1. Profit before commission आप ही बताओ 1,65,000. So correct, profit after profit before commission is 1,65,000. From that, first of all, we have to subtract commission. Commission का इतना कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं 1,65,000 into 10 divided by 110. So it will come at 50,000. So 1,50,000 is your profit after commission, or you can say it is divisible profit, which will be distributed among 3 partners in their profit sharing ratio. So distribution of profit कई रीतना था सर 1,50,000 into 1/3 1,50,000 into 1/3 and 1,50,000 into 1/3. So 50,000 50,000 and clear. Jayesh, Suresh, and Pankaj, their profit sharing ratio is 6:2:1. 3. Manager's commission 6600 rupees at the rate of 10%. So first of all, we will have to find out profit from the commission. Divisible profit, commission. If divisible profit is 100 and manager's commission is 10, then if manager's commission is 6600, then what would be the divisible profit? 6600 into 100 divided by 10. This is divisible profit. Distribution of profit. Jayesh, $66,000 into 6/11. So 36,000. Then 66,000 into 2/11. And 66,000 into 3/11. 18,000. So this is how the profit will be distributed. Clear? Now, Sheila, Surbhi and Seema are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:7:9. Manager Sanket is entitled to receive 10% commission from profit after deduction of such commission. Surbhi receives share in profit rupees 7,000. Determine the amount of commission of Sanket. Here they have been given, there are three partners 5:7:9 is their profit sharing ratio. A manager commission is to be given commission at 10% after such commission into 10 divided by 110. जो 5% was तो into 5 divided by 105 था. But that is not an issue over here. One of the partners should be receives share in profit rupees 7,000. Then determine the amount of commission of Sanket. Also determine the amount of profit before commission of manager. Sheila, Surabhi and Sanket. Profit sharing ratio 5:7:9. Commission 10%. Now, Surabhi receives share of profit in 7,000. और समझो, Surabhi नो share કેટલો છે? 7. 7 by આનું ટોટલ કેટલું થાય? 5 plus 7 12 plus 9 એ 21 થાય. So for 7 by 21 share, Surabhi receives 7,000. 7 by 21 is a fraction of profit of the total profit. If this is fraction of profit 7 by 21, then total firm's profit will be 1. Percentage होता આપણે 100 માં લઈએ, fraction હોય તો 1 ના context માં લેવાનું. So for the share 7 by 21, if Surabhi is receiving 7,000, then for the whole share, what will be the profit of the firm as total? So 7,000 into 1 divided by 7 divided by 21. The denominator numerator में आई है. The 7,000 into 21 divided by 7. So profit thase 21,000. This is divisible profit. Now manager's commission. Net profit है, हाँ? क्या ये तो निकली गया ना? Manager's commission. Whenever we have to find out commission of manager from the divisible profit, directly percentage लेवाना. जो net profit हो तो into 10 divided by 110 था. અને from divisible profit છે તો directly percentage થઈ જશે. 10,000 sorry 21,000 into 10%. 2,100 is manager's commission. बस समझो क्यों है? Profit before commission તમને ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનું કીધું. એનો મતલબ થાય profit after commission plus commission. સેકન્ડ ઇલસ્ટ્રેશનમાં આપણે જોયું કે પ્રોફિટ બિફોર કમિશન છે એમાંથી હું કમિશન સબટ્રેક્ટ કરું તો આઈ ગેટ પ્રોફિટ આફ્ટર કમિશન. બટ હિયર I have to find out profit before commission. આમાં શું હતું? Profit before commission minus commission is equal to profit after commission. Here you have been given profit after commission, તો એમાં commission add કરીએ so we will get profit before commission. So that's why profit after commission એટલે divisible profit 21,000. Commission 2,100. So profit before commission will be 23,001. Clear?